Auto Glass Professionals knows windshield damage happens, and they've always been on the cutting edge of auto glass replacement and repair. These days, cars have all sorts of technology within them. Cameras, lasers, and radar systems. Many vehicles are equipped with lane assist, lane departure warnings, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision alert systems. And these safety features require that the camera in the car is calibrated every time the windshield is replaced. And that's something these certified technicians know exactly how to do.
So, first step, connect into your OBD of your vehicle and do a quick pre-scan. Then we set up our stand, measure out specifically distance for our targets. When we hook up our laser, make sure we are specifically accurate. Connect our targets and set our targets to our measurements. Then we align our lasers to the front of your vehicle, also the specific measurement from the front. All right, once everything is aligned, tighten everything down, lock it in place. And once everything is set up in place, we are able to go ahead and start calibration. And just like that, calibration is successful. We have no fault codes detected, which means our calibration has successfully passed. Now let's just unhook everything and drive her back out, give her back to the customer.
One call does it all at Auto Glass Professionals. Tell them Perk sent you.